welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how I achieve the sleek ponytail look. I first start by combing out my damp hair, then I apply the eco gel on my hair. I actually put it on all my hair to make sure that everywhere is soft enough because it's a conditioning gel. So I make sure I apply it everywhere to make it smooth and make sure everywhere is soft before I attempt to put it into a bun, as you can see. I also used the Got to Bleed free spray to see how the hair was going to turn out. The Shine and Jam gel really gave my hair a fixed hold. I will recommend this product to anyone trying to achieve this look. I will recommend thread for anyone trying to hold your hair into a ponytail. Like, this thing works miraculously. That's what we use back home in Cameroon. Like, it holds the hair really firm. You don't need anything else. It can stay on like that for days. So I'm trying to lay my edges. I don't really have baby hair. I lost all of them when I was a baby, so I just tried with what I had. So now I'll tie my hair with this cloth. It really helps lay my hair properly, and I'll dry it. This is 30 minutes after I dried my hair. It's well laid down. The hair I'll be using for this tutorial is the freetress equal drawstring ponytail. Don't know if you can see clearly. The freetress, I got it for $29 and it's 32 inch long. I have natural hair, that's why it's this wavy, but if you don't want your hair to be this wavy, I think you can use the beeswax. Beeswax really works perfectly for making the hair look loose, smooth. Don't come from me. This ponytail has 2 combs in it, so you can pin it to the front and pin it to the back so it doesn't fall easily. And it has, this is the drawstring. Okay. So when you pin your hair to the front and the back, what you do is you pull and you adjust like this, and so it doesn't fall, you take this and wrap it around the hair like this. So now I need to comb it through, because when I tried to tie it, like, I made the hair rough. So I'll just comb it down.
I just thank God say you be my lady, my lady. Now dear son, I'm showing you my. I told me so can be my baby.
Cute.
You know I got the energy to bring it to life, yo. Camera don't you put, I made it put on the light, yo. So DJ tell you, make it give it the vibe, yo. It's knocking your door like a cola whiskey, yo. We go so she bend over back breaker, steaming hot water vapor. I wanna take her, she's a heartbreaker. She bend over.
So this is the finished look I got from this hair, and it took me approximately 45 minutes to finish it. And my honest review about the freetress ponytail is it's very affordable and it's soft and long. Like I said, it's 32 inches long. Unfortunately, I can't really step back so you see it, but that's how long it is. It's 32 inches long. I will leave the link to the hair down in the description box below. So if you liked this tutorial, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in my next video.